light coming.
Well, now there's a train coming. Green light coming.
I don't know what route it's going. It's on this one. It's on this one. Almost called you. Dennis, tell somebody call 911 to shut the train down. I know, that's what I'm trying.
Yeah, so you're going to do that.
You already called him? He ain't going to move.
He ain't going nowhere.
Look out! He's going to get back.
Yeah, but he can't back up no more down there. He's going to jump that trailer off it.
He's going to have to.
Holy hell.
Jeremy, tell him to straighten his wheels up.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. What a jackass. My brother would tell him he's a loser. Wow. And there's a train coming. What a dumbass. Thinking he's gonna turn around on top of railroad tracks in a little small town of Hyman, Pennsylvania. Now take a look here. Like, he can't even back up any. Like, if he backs up, he's going to go off the ledge. That's how dumb this dude is. What a dumbass. Look at them, they're all coming out like the night of the Walking Dead. Here they come. This guy. Well, ain't nobody getting fresh bagels in the morning. Jesus, look at this. Look at this. Fucking backhoe coming. Holy hell. Ain't that something? Always something interesting in this town.
Now he's stuck. We got no power to get up there.
What does this backhoe think he's gonna do? This backhoe ain't gonna do nothing to this big truck. He's just gonna laugh at it. Look, here I go. Ain't that something? This guy's... I tell you what though, that's some people coming together in a small community, that's for sure. Dude's up here at the backhoe, he's ready to rip. Look at this joker here in this red truck. Thought he's gonna back across a set of railroad tracks. What a dumbass. Let's see who the... Oh, the backhoe is doing it. Look at that shit. Holy fuck. Wow. That's crazy. That motherfucker. Look at this thing trying to get it up over the bank. Damn. Look at that shit. Up over. Damn. Woo-wee. That's some crazy shit, man. That guy right there needs to learn how to drive. Son of a bitch. Yeah, big dog. Yeah, big dog.
I'm gonna move that pole. I'm like, you ain't moving. And he just kept going and going and going.
Yeah. There he is, getting out of the truck, the man of the hour. Yeah. So, this guy's a shit.